Another excellent plugin that allows you to work with icons on your WordPress website is the Betterfont Awesome plugin. This plugin is by Mickey K and Mighty Minnow, and it does have some pretty useful features here, like it is backwards compatible, which means you can actually use earlier versions of the plugin on your WordPress website. And it's also compatible with other very similar plugins like Font Awesome icons and Font Awesome shortcodes as well. So let me show you how to make use of the plugin. Once you install it, come down here to your settings and go to Betterfont Awesome. Now in here, like I said earlier, you can choose the version of the plugin that you want to work with. Maybe for some reason the latest version doesn't work with your WordPress website, you can always choose an earlier version in here. You can also attempt to remove any existing Font Awesome CSS or shortcodes that currently exist that have been provided to you by other plugins and themes. You can do that in here. And you can also hide the default admin warnings that are shown whenever you have any errors that occur. I will choose that. Now in here we do have the available options for the icons that come with this plugin. Simply click in here, open this in a new tab. And now in here we have such a wide variety of different kinds of plugins and the animation that you can also use to work with the plugins. As an example, take a look at this in here. We have animated icons. So if I wanted the very first one in here, all I would have to do is to copy the very first line in here. Let me just copy this. Okay. And now let's go ahead and let's open up a new post. Let's edit the post. And now from here, I'm going to create some space. Now, actually, it is very important that you paste the shortcodes in the text format and not the visual format. The reason is when you paste the shortcode using the visual editor, the theme is going to add some extra code to your shortcode that will disable it from actually working. So the best thing is to switch this to your text format. And now in here, we can now create a space. Let me go ahead and paste the shortcode. Let's update the post. Let's view the post. And there you go, we now have our spinner displaying. So in here you can have, there are so many other options available in here. You have icons being rotated or flipped. You have stacked icons as well. You have Bootstrap 3 examples as well. Custom CSS. There are literally hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of different ways how you can display the icons. In here as well, we have one for the code. So all you would need to do is just basically copy the lines that have the I class. All you would have to do is to copy that, and then you can also edit the text that you have inside. Like for example, let me just do this. Let's copy this. Let me just quickly show you what I mean. Let's copy this. Let's go back here. Let's edit the post, and let's paste this in here. Let's create some space. Let's update. Let's view the post. And all right, so we have this in here. Okay. However, what I can do is I can change code left as an example. I could change code left to code right. Okay. Let's update this. Let's view the post. And now you can see it now looks different from the cutting left. So once again, you can play around with all these examples with the icons. You have icons in here where you can change the size simply using 2x or 3x or 4x, and really you don't want to spend too much time going over every possible kind of icon that you can create using this plugin. There are lots of examples in here for you to play around with and to find any kind of icons that you can work with. So that's it for the Betterfont Awesome plugin. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next class.